Hey there everyone, welcome back to Measuremix. Thanks for stopping by today. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. If you like DIYs, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell next to it so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Today I'm going to be making some Dollar Tree farmhouse coastal beachy decor. I don't know why, but I'm really into this type of decor right now. Maybe it's because the weather is getting warmer, or maybe it's the fact that I just miss the ocean and the beach and I'm not going to get to go there this year for vacation. So I think I'll just bring that beach and coastal decor into my home and hopefully I won't miss it so much. I hope this gives you guys some inspiration and some ideas for your own home. Now let's get started.
All right, the first thing I'm going to make is this window frame with a wreath on it. I'm going to use 4 of these wooden picture frames from Dollar Tree. I've had these lying around for forever. I don't know if you can still find them, but any 5x7 frame will work for this. All I did was take the glass out and the paper, and now I am just removing the little prongs that hold the glass in. And then I'm just going to lay them out. I'm going to put 2 next to each other and hot glue them. And then I am going to hot glue the other 2 to the bottom 2. So I'm sure you guys have seen this before. Lots of other people have done this. So it's really easy to do. I'm just going to take some more hot glue to reinforce it. Of course, you can use E6000 or another glue to make sure it has a stronger hold. And then, of course, I'm using some popsicle sticks on the back. All I had was the red popsicle sticks, so it doesn't look super pretty on the back, but nobody's gonna see it, so that doesn't matter. And I just hot glued at the seams those popsicle sticks down to make sure that it holds. Next, all I'm going to do is give this a coat of white linen chalk paint. I actually gave it 2 coats of white linen chalk paint. And then on the second coat, though, before it was completely dry, I came back with some of this retro vintage chalk paint by Decor. And I am just kind of brushing it and blending it with the second coat of white paint. And then I came back with my gel stain in the walnut that I always use to distress things, and I'm blending that as well to give it more of a weathered look. Now I'm going to work on the seashell wreath. I'm going to use one of these green foam wreath forms from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to use 3 bags of these seashells. They have a bag of just white seashells, and then they have a bag of like kind of more of a colored seashell. I have 2 bags of the colored ones and then 1 bag of the white, so I'm just going to mix it up, and I'm just going to pick out the shells that I think fit the best and kind of just layer them on and hot glue them down to the other shells and to the wreath form. Some of the shells are smaller, so you can pick out ones to kind of fill in the gaps on the wreath. So it kind of just covers the front and the sides, and you don't need to cover the back of the wreath. And you could do this with seashells that you find from vacation, or if you live near the beach, you can collect them and do this as well. Now I'm just going to go ahead and hang the seashell wreath from the window with some burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree. I just hot glued the burlap ribbon to the back of the window and hot glued the wreath down where it touched the window. And I also did not put the glass back in the window, but you could, if you wanted to, just put some E6000 or some hot glue to hold it in place. And I love how it turned out. It looks very beachy but kind of farmhousey at the same time, and it just reminds me of the ocean and going searching for seashells on vacation. For the next project, I'm going to use one of these seahorse signs from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to give the back of it a coat of that retro vintage chalk paint, and then I'm going to use 2.5 bags of these glass gems from Dollar Tree. They have all different colors. They have just blue ones, they have just green ones, and then they have the mixture, or they have just clear ones. So I'm using the mixture here for the seahorse, and I am just laying them out and just kind of fitting them where I think they go best and hot gluing them down. Now, I would recommend, if you're going to do this, to use E6000 or a stronger glue, because the hot glue doesn't hold that well, but it worked for now for me. And then all I did was put a little nautical rope hanger on the back of this and hung it up, and this was super simple and easy to do. And Dollar Tree has a ton of these beachy signs, so you could do it with any of them. For this last easy, beachy, coastal decor, I'm going to be using 2 of these styrofoam balls from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 3. I don't know what I did with the other ball, but I am just going to use 2 of them for this project. And I am going to take some nautical rope, and I'm just going to begin at the top of the ball and coil it around and hot glue it down, and then keep wrapping the nautical rope all the way around the ball. And I'm going to be making nautical rope balls, and they're not going to be perfect, like exact, but this is just kind of my take on it. So I'm going to take the rest of the nautical rope after I get the first layer done, and I'm going to go the opposite direction and wrap 4 more rows of nautical rope and hot glue that down to the ball. And then I'm going to take the leftover nautical rope from that, and I'm going to go the other opposite direction of the ball, and I am just going to wrap 4 more rows of that and hot glue that down. And then I just took some more nautical rope and I made just a little hanger and hot glued that down, and I did the same thing to the other styrofoam ball, and this is how it turned out. I think it's cute and beachy.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.